What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to do meme videos on the Imovie. But first, if you think it's valuable, smash the subscribe, smash that notification bell, and roll the clip.
You would have a video. This is an example I show you. You view, and then you go to map. You go to this background black. Basically, what you do is drag this on top of that black. Okay, let's do right here. Alright. For that, what you do is picture to pictures. So basically, you can adjust it, your meme video. Alright. After you centralize everything, basically you just put a text in there, right? Like put central. Basically central. Much wash. You will love it. So that's how you do it. And then you can play the video again, and then all you need to do is just a little bit of adjustment for this, and then spray it out like that. Should be okay. Hope it's helped. Peace.